Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip archiving app on your Nokia G21. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, hit the search button and write RAR. After that, we can start searching. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. Here, grant it all file access. Go back and dismiss this notification, and here we have a fully working app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.